Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best cookware sets which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel 12-piece Cookware Set. Experienced cooks will love this high-quality set of stainless steel cookware, which includes both a 1.5 and 3-quart saucepan, 8 and 10-inch open skillets, a 3.5-quart sauté pan, an 8-quart stock pot, and a steamer insert. Everything but the open skillets and the steamer insert come with lids. Our tester found the price to be affordable considering the quality and number of useful pieces you get. Stainless steel with an aluminum core, they are induction compatible, oven safe to 550 degrees, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The long handles stay comfortably cool during cooking and have hanging holes for storage, but our tester did caution that the side loop handles can get quite hot. His cookware is safe for all oven cooktops, plus, it is oven safe, up to 500 degrees, giving you the power to cook anything that you want to. The handles are cool to the touch and contoured ergonomically for a safe grip. The cookware set features tempered glass lids that make sure to seal in moisture and nutrients. Key features: made with 3-ply stainless steel heat surround technology, dishwasher safe tapered rims, what we like, attractive design, nearly indestructible, steamer included. What we don't like: set needs a larger skillet. Side handles can get hot. Number 2. T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick 17-piece Cookware Set. When it comes to cookware sets, the T-fal Ultimate Nonstick Cookware Set rises above the rest. The entire set is comprised of 17 pieces in total, made with hard anodized aluminum. They hold just the right amount of heat so that you can cook your meal to perfection. Featuring T-fal's heat mastery system and thermospot technology, it provides an even heat base so that every delicious morsel is cooked just right. Being hard titanium reinforced, everything you see in this set is non-stick and scratch resistant. Cleaning these pots and pans are a breeze because food does not stick to them. They are totally dishwasher safe. This cookware set will stand the test of time. Even though handles are superior on this set, created with riveted silicone, it is designed for both comfort and safety. The lids are made with tempered glass and are vented. This way you can keep an eye on what you are cooking. The vents in the lid lock in just the right amount of moisture to cook your food. This cookware set will work on any stovetop. Not only that, they can go on the oven, too, up to 400 degrees. They are resistant to corrosion, scratches and other kinds of damage, due to the hard anodized creation. Key features: thermospot technology, constructed with hard anodized aluminum, completely non-stick, heats food evenly. Number 3. WearEver 15-piece Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. The WearEver 2,100,087,606 is quite an attractive piece set. With its 15 red pots and pans, you get an appropriate size and a variant for whatever you need. There is also a 10-piece variant for regular users. All the items in this pack are scratch-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and oven-safe. Its manufactured with a high-quality, heavy-gauge aluminum core offers superior light-weight and durability. This material also ensures you get even heat distribution and less oil requirements when cooking. Its ceramic non-stick interior is PTFE, Fa, cadmium and lead-free, which makes for safe chemical-free cooking. Also, each item in the set sports an ergonomically designed silicone riveted handle, to ensure you get a comfortable grip while cooking. Each one of these handles has hang-drying holes for easy storage and drying and are insulated. Pros: great color and design. Many pieces for various needs. Scratch-resistant. Less oil required when cooking. Insulated handles. The non-stick inner surface is easy to clean. Dishwasher and oven safe. Lightweight yet durable, free from harmful chemicals. Great handle grip with hanging holes. Lifetime warranty. Cons: not suitable for use with induction cookers. The non-stick feature needs improvement. Number 4. Anolon Advanced Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware. Everyone knows that non-stick frying pans are great for cooking eggs, but this set goes way beyond breakfast. With 1.5 and 3-quart saucepans, an 8-quart stock pot, a 3-quart saute pan, a 12-inch deep covered skillet with helper handle, and an 8-inch French skillet. There's not much else you would want in a comprehensive set, according to our tester. Made from anodized aluminum, the pans are responsive to heat changes. Our tester noted, the thick bottoms and sides of these pans distribute the heat evenly, preventing any hot or cold spots as you cook. The lids are shatterproof glass so you can see inside while cooking, and the handles are covered with a non-slip material that stays cool. They are oven safe to 400 degrees. Our reviewers' only complaints were that they aren't dishwasher safe or induction compatible. What we like: durable non-stick surface, large loop handles safe for use with metal utensils. What we don't like: handle rivets aren't non-stick, must be washed by hand, not induction compatible. Number 5. Rachael Ray Cucina Non-Stick Cookware Pots and Pans Set. Rachael Ray has decades of experience as an E-rated cook. It's therefore not difficult to see why she incorporates so much design and functionality into this cookware. What do you get with this product? Outside of its stylish design and 7 color variations to pick from, you can stick your cooking spoon right to the edge of the pot. This is a usual confusion we all get when the spoon is soiled but not dirty. Rachael Ray gives you not just free spoons and spatulas, but a perfect solution for that problem. The interior of each item features hard enamel non-stick that allows for easier cooking and cleaning. Their exteriors are crafted with sturdy hard enamel porcelain and durable aluminum construction that gives you superior quality. These hardened surfaces save time and allow fast yet even heating. Pros: great design, variety of colors to select from, unique spoon mount feature. Hard enamel gives you superior non-stick. Free spatulas, spoons included. Made with high-quality materials, fast yet even heating. Free, shatter-resistant glass top, durable rubberized handles, oven-safe, limited lifetime warranty. Cons: not suitable for use with induction cookers. The bright colors fade over time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.